Hey, this is Pam Crawford of the Crawford Realty Team with RE/MAX Professional Associates, and this is your video sneak peek. This is an awesome 3-bedroom, 4-bath contemporary style home on many acres in West Brookfield, Massachusetts. You've got 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, open floor plan, acres of fenced paddock, and beautiful views. If you want more information about this house or any other house on the market, log on to www.pamcrawford.com or call any one of the Crawford Realty Team with RE/MAX Professional Associates at 508-784-0503.